And so we are live. We are back. And what we're going to do is we're going to try and scalp. So the news came out a little bit early here on the FOMC minutes. Let's see. It's going to came out on this candle, which was not the 2 p.m. candle. Came about 5 minutes before, which is interesting. Very interesting. So we're going to try and scalp here on the 2-minute chart. There is a potential long setup. Problem we've got is, we'll take it. We'll take the long. Looking for that move up to 433. $432. Just going to put a stop down there. So we've got as high as 28.50. So there we go. So on that scalp there, we got to target. Now we'll wait. We'll see if anything else sets up here. So with the scalping, it's just something I'm doing a little bit different here. I suppose I should disclose that this is a different account. We've got a different balance, and also what we're going to do is you're going to use a 2-minute chart. So on the other broadcast, we use a 5-minute chart. And we're going to use a 2-minute chart for our scalping here. Something I'm going to do a little bit different. In the past, I've not been very good at scalping. With these scalping episodes, we're going to look at creating these broadcasts after about 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we're going to use when the market opens, about 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, we'll make a broadcast over there. And after about, say, 1, depending on how market conditions are, we'll come in and do a scalp episode. So we've had the volatility of the FOMC minutes. We've come in. Prices threatened lower for a while. It should have been in a bit earlier, but I was a little bit cautious, and the reason I was cautious was the size of the news release candle that came out early. We are seeing a continuation. We've seen the all day volatility has clearly been to the upside. Seems we are going to attack those highs there. Current higher day. Seeing very good volume. Broke the 445. There we are, making new highs in the day, which is interesting. So a little bit overbought for this type of scalping I would like to do. Ideally, I like to scalp in a range. A market that's trending proves itself to be very problematic for me. For what I'm trying to do with the scalping. So the scalping strategy I'm using oh wow. So I guess the market likes the FOMC minutes news, which is good. It's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing at all. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's just a reference for me. So it broke the previous days, not the previous day, the current day's high. May need to make some changes here. Just trying to make the wicks a bit more visible here. So let's see what happens if turn it back grey. So this was the current high of day before we've had this breakout here to the upside. Close just below it, which is interesting. Wonder if we're going to go down to the 36 here. Would seem like it, wouldn't it? Yeah. There we go, through the 36. Couldn't sustain higher prices. So with these scalping videos, I will not be doing a summary or a recap of any kind. I'd like to take the short the other way, but the problem is the long's almost gone too much to the upside. Too much risk of it finding support and bouncing. So in the very last candle here to the upside, we had quite a bit of volume. Okay. Let's think about this. So we close above 38. I think I'm going to crawl it a day there. So we close above this line. I think I'm going to call it. The line's dynamic, so it could move down. But it's at 38 for now. So got this area where we previously had resistance here. Fat price head up, turn around, head up into this area, turned around again. Currently retesting it from the other side. It's going to take a long there. So we saw a candle make a new high there. Decided to take a long. Looking for that move up towards that 38. Risk reward's not great, is it? Oh what? Still not great. That's not what we want to see. Certainly not what we want to see. Gonna break off those highs. A little bit more aggressive with the stop here. Where are we in? We're in at 34. Stops at 26. So we're breaking those highs there. Would not want to see this candle turn negative. Stops down at 29 now. Risking about 5 or so points. So entry is 34. Stops at 29.50. Looking to target at 38.50 here. Had that push to the upside. Going to be a bit more aggressive with the trail up to 30.25. Looks like we're going to be stopped out here. I thought there would have been enough to take us up towards that 38.50. Okay, there we go. Got up to 36. 37. It's 1 point away. Let's there we go. Stops at break even. Should just get that 38.50 now. Come on. Oh, come on. Ah. Oh my gosh. Got to 38.50 and didn't get filled. Price to perfection. Golly. Yeah, there we go. It's gone through at 38.50. Got as high as 38.75. You can see that on the right hand side of the screen. Just had an alert go off. So it was trailed out for pretty much break even. Was in at 34. Okay. There we are. Well, the trade idea was this area of what was somewhat some temporary resistance there, price coming down, finding support, the previous area that we resisted from. It's just, like I said, I was being aggressive with the trail, so I have to accept that. Pretty much got a break-even trade there. I think I'll set a time limit on these videos, maybe 30 minutes or so. Wow. Someone's interested. Do you go the other way? I'd say no. Short down to the 29s. Probably not. Probably not. Could risk down to this week low and target the open of the candle. Did say the 38 was a line in the sand. We did close above the 38, so I'm going to stick with that. I did say if we close above that 38 level, and we have. So I'm going to call it a day there. It's interesting. Certainly seems like it wants to come down. There's no reason for it to come down. It's not like as if it's gone up into this area. If it had gone into this area and rejected, then maybe. Moment. Move down to 31. So we came down into the wick, got bought up. Move up to 42.75. It's like you're talking yourself into a trade here. Yeah, that's likely a sign. So we did say if we close above the 38, so I'm going to call it a day here. No. I'm just going to say thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day. Yep, so we're going to close the broadcast here. Oh, matter of fact, we could just have a look at the trade performance. Let's go. So this is the equity curve for the scalping. We took only the 2 trades. Doesn't appear that we've got a loser. Both were winners. Average win. 99 profit factor, 100% accuracy. Because the other trade was a break even, but counts it as a win. There we are in about 20 minutes or so of trading. So that's interesting. So we did continue higher, getting to the 42s. Something to think about. Using the law of the wick as the risk. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.